Hi guys! Mag-unboxing tayo. I got this nice cardigan, green, cause etong year na to, itong 2026, ang team color is green. So, I like this cardigan. Rena's older daughter, gave this to me on Christmas. Her and the husband gave me this nice cardigan. Bagay na bagay. I can fit this one on a jeans or shorts or skirt. So it's really, really nice. I love it. Okay, that's number one. Number two, I got this Calvin Klein jacket. Rena gave it to me for Christmas. Pero nakuha ko lang siya ng New Year. So, this is a jean jacket. It's, alam niyo na, what you call this? Calvin Klein. Yeah, it's really nice. Really nice. Pwedeng i-match everywhere. Kasyang-kasya lang sa akin. Good fit. This one, I got, alam mo na, kung may jacket, may pants. So, Rena gave this one also to me. This is a capri jeans. Pwede rin siya sigurong habaan, pero mas maganda yata pag capri. So, I have a black top matching on this one or a white one. Tapos papasukan ko ng jean jacket. So, I got this one. I got this one for Christmas. Rena gave it to me. And you know that like yung isa kong phone, may isa pa siyang binigay sa akin. Nagagamit ko na yung cellphone. Pang YouTube yun. So, ginagamit ko. Hindi ko nipapakita, Pero, nakatanggap din ako ng cellphone sa kanya. And another one, I got this one in the mail. I bought this one because alam mo na, 'di ba? Matangkad ako. So, hirap akong makahanap ng pantalon or pants na hindi bitin, na fit sa waistline ko, na hindi bitin. So, nakakita ako ng pants na hindi bitin sa akin. Medyo siya pricey, pero, I need it. I need it for myself. Kasi, alam mo na, hindi ako nagsusuot ng bitin na pants. And then, so, ito, sasabihin ko kung saan ko to nabili. Binili ko to sa Fabletics. It's really nice, Fabletics pants. I really like it. Sabi nila 5'9" kasi naman ako. So I need to get small kasi yung medium sobrang mahuhubo daw sa akin.